Hi guys, if your Jadens printer is not connecting or printing, turn off Bluetooth and then put it back on. And then you want to press and hold down this button for 10 seconds. Or until you hear the 3 beeps. And there you go, it's working. So we'll test it anyway. So reopen the app. We're going to try printing it. There you go. And it's all working fine, as you can see. So if you sell on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, TikTok, anywhere really, this is a must-have printer. I would highly recommend it. It saves a lot of time. You don't need your laptop. You can print directly from your phone. So if you do want one, I'll link it in the description below. Thanks for watching.